Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn about the word problems on lenses. And you know that this is the convex lens, that is the converging lens, and this is the concave lens, that is your diverging lens. So how we are going to solve the numeric problems related to this, we will just quickly go through the lens equation and its magnification formula. And so the SLO we are going to SLO numbers that we are going to follow is the image location. The main SLO is image location by lens equation, and the subtitle is solve word problems related to the image location by lenses using lens formula. So what is lens formula? We have already done. Lens formula is the relation between the object distance, the image distance, and the focal length, or 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon p plus 1 upon q, or we can use 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. Now, some books use for the object distance use u and some use p. Similarly, either you can use q or v. So, in this relation, focal length is the distance from focus to the optical center of the lens. P is the distance of object from the optical center of the lens, and Q is the distance of image from the optical center of the lens. Now the magnification formula from the lens equation, the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object is same as the ratio of the distance of object from the optical center to the distance of image from the optical center to the distance of object from the optical center. Or mathematically we can write m is equal to q upon p, or m is equal to u upon v. Just the points to be noted, key point: if magnification is 1, it means the size of image and the object are equal. If the magnification is greater than 1, it means the image is magnified, it is enlarged. And if the m is less than 1, it means the size of image is less than the size of the object, that there is a reduction in the size of the image. So first we are going to just again repeat the sign convention. P is positive, P and Q are positive for the real objects and the real images. That is, real images are inverted, and the real objects, that is, on one you are placing on one side of the lens, that's at the physical existence. And P is negative for the virtual object, and Q is negative for the uh, if for the virtual images that cannot be obtained on the screen, that you can view in the lens only. Similarly, f is positive for the convex lens, and that is the converging lens, and f is negative for the concave lens, that is your diverging lens. Similarly, m is taken positive for the inverted images, and for the upright and erect images it is taken with the negative sign. Now again, just revising the mnemonics of solving the numerical problems. You can easily do that with the help of this. G stand for the given, R stand for the required, A stand for analysis. After looking for the given and required, you are going to analyze these two, and you are going to put the proper formula to solve, to find the solution of this numerical. So, and P is your paraphrase, that is the conclusion of your numerical. So first, what is the first example? The first example is what at what distance image, means we need to find the image distance, is produced by placing an object 6 centimeter away from a convex lens. Now for the given is that uh, object distance is given as 6 centimeters, lens is convex, means that the real images must be produced if the object is outside the focal length. So focal length is 3. So you can see that object distance is 6 and focal length is 3. It means object is away from the focal length. Now what we are required to found is that Q, that is the image distance, and the nature of image. We have to comment on the nature of image. After looking at to these two, we found that we can easily use a relation 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon p plus 1 upon q. For the solution, you are going to put the values in this equation. F is equal to 3, p is equal to 6. Uh, so in order to isolate q, we are going to take 1 upon 6 to the other side. So by taking up the LCM, we found that 1 upon q is equal to 1 upon 6. Now, you are going to cross multiply them, and after cross multiply them, the result is q. Yeah, that is the image distance is equal to 6 centimeter. We can draw a proper perfect ray diagram for that. We are going to keep the object at a distance of 6 centimeter, and you are going to take the focal length as 3 centimeter on either side of the lens. If you draw the proper scale ray diagram, that is ray passing from the optical center passes unrefracted, the ray that is parallel to the principal axis after passing from the focus is refracted, and after passing from the focus it meet at this point. Now at these 2 points where the two rays meet, your images form, and you can see, you will find that you can verify this result by this scale drawing. The distance from the optical center to this should be equal to 6 centimeter. You can draw and verify. So what is the conclusion? Since q is equal to 6 centimeter from the ray diagram, we see that this is an inverted and real images formed. And since the image distance is equal to the object distance, hence the size of image is equal to the size of object. If we found the magnification in this case, you can see magnification is q upon p, it is 6 upon 6, that is equal to 1. Okay, now the next are the two similar questions, and it is given in the MCQ form. We are going to solve them, and in the next lecture we are going to verify them. Okay, now the next is again, at what distance the image is produced by placing an object 4 4 centimeter away from a convex lens of the focal length 8 centimeter. Okay, now again, object distance is 4 and focal length is 8, and it is a convex lens. So that always give us the real images, but let's see what happened in this case. Since focal length is 8 and object is distance is 4, it means object is located within the focal length. Now see that required is again the nature of image and q. So we are going to solve this. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon p plus 1 upon q. So for the solution, we are going to put the values. 8 is the focal length. Instead of f, I am writing 8, and instead of p, I can write 4. Isolating q on one side. After isolating q on one side, taking up the LCM and solving them, you can see that 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So I will get 1 upon q is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So the result conclusion is q is equal to minus 1 upon 8. Again, you are going to draw the perfect scale ray diagram. You can see focus is your 8 centimeter on either side of the lens. P is equal to 4. It means object is within the focal length. If you draw the two rays, you can see these are divergent over here. If I produce them, extend them backwards, they will meet at some place, and the place where they meet is your images form. And you can verify from this optical center and to this it is 8 centimeter. Now what this minus sign in this result means, now the minus sign, we see that the image is formed on the same side of the lens as the object, and it is also upright, erect and magnified. This is the significance of q, the image position being negative. It is also evident that the light is only appears to pass through the position of the image, so no image will be cast on the screen placed at the image location, and this is called the virtual image. So when the object is within the focal length, we always get a magnified and virtual image, and this is the way a convex lens act as a simple microscope, that is a simple magnifying glass. We for looking in the magnifying glass, we have to place the object within the focal length. Now the next, these are the two quiz questions, and they are exactly the same way. So you are going to solve them, and we are going to discuss in the next lecture. The answers we are going to discuss in the next lecture. Now we will move for the concave lens. How we are going to solve the word problem related to concave lens. Concave lens is a diverging lens. So in any case, wherever the object is, we always get a smaller in size image, and that will between the principal focus and the optical center. So the numerical is At what distance image is produced means image distance need to be found by placing a six object 6 centimeter away from a convex lens of the focal length 3. Okay, also comment on the nature of the image. Now you can see that P is equal to 6 and F is equal to 3. Now why we are taking minus sign over here? Because from the sign convention we know that virtual images concave lens always give us a virtual image, so F must be taken with a negative sign. Q R is the required, Q is we have to find nature of image, and formula will remain the same. I am going to substitute the values in the solution. F is equal to minus 3, 1 of P is equal to 6. Isolating Q on one side, we will get this result. Then again, we are going to solve them by taking up the LCM, and the 1 upon Q is equal to minus 3 upon 6. If you cancel 3 upon 6, you will get what? 1 upon 2, and if you cross multiply them you can see Q is equal to minus 2 centimeter. So the image distance is minus 2 centimeter. Again the minus 2 means that it is a virtual image, and uh, you can see from the, if I draw the ray diagram for it, you can see that this is the object. The ray parallel after diffraction will diverge, but diverge means that it is appears to be, the diverging ray appears to be coming from the focus. So, and this is passing unrefracted where the two rays meet. You can see that this distance from optical center to this image must be equal to 2 centimeter. It means the object, and you can see it is a virtual erect and smaller than the size as the object. So for the concave lens always creates a virtual image between the object and the lens, and image distance is less than the object distance and size of object is bigger than the size of image, therefore magnification is always less than 1. So this is how you are going to solve the concave lens problems, and again there are few questions related to that. Now this is a question example for your magnification only. If an object is 8 centimeter from a lens and produces an image 4 centimeter from the lens, it means 8 centimeter is your object distance and 4 is your image distance. So what is the magnification? Magnification is equal to 1 upon 2. Magnification 1 upon 2 means that the size of the image is lesser than the object because it is lesser than 1, and 1 upon 2 means that it is half of the size of the object. The image size is the half of the size of the object. Similarly, you can solve these two numericals, and the other the final quiz question you are going to solve, you solve them carefully, and then we are going to discuss in the later lecture. Yeah, I'm going to discuss all the answers related to this. Now, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz till the next lecture.